what's up everybody? It's DZ, back with another unboxing video. Boy, am I excited about this one. We got the Hubsan H501S. This is the Hubsan H501S. This is an awesome bird from everything I've ever heard about it. I've heard that this is great. Haven't done my test and review yet, but we will be getting to that. Let's go ahead and get with the unboxing. Already opened the box, guys. Haven't used it at all or anything, or really even went through everything. I just got in here to get the battery and get it out and get it charged. Comes with its own little battery charger. A lot of people were saying that this comes with the Euro charger and you have to buy an adapter, but it does not come with the Euro charger. If you order this and it comes from a US warehouse, you're going to get a United States charger with it. We got this first box here, which is, oh, that's where the charger was. And you have a locking tool for your propellers in here. And you have another box here. What do we got? Not so sure. There's a little tab of some sort in here. Not sure what that is. But I think I'm gonna make an educated guess here, but I'm believing that this is a sunshade for the screen on the controller. And yepers, I was correct. Sunshade for the controller. It's in pieces, you have to assemble it, but the instructions are right there on how to assemble it. Instructions came with it. Cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Love it. In this box, I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. I'm pretty sure this is our props. Props to the props. Oh, there's another tab in there. There we go. Yepers, I was correct. It comes with I can't tell how many is in there. There's another one in there, but I can't get it out for some odd reason. Maybe it stuck it in there into the box. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 props. It comes with 8 props. Comes with 2 full sets of props. That's awesome. And for the Pierre de Resistance, the quad. GPS, altitude hold, return to home, follow me, fail safes. It's got all the modes, all the bells and whistles. Does not do acro. This one does not do acro. I had somebody ask me the other day if I was going to put acro in my videos. If I don't say anything about acro, then it has acro. If I do, I'll tell you that it doesn't have acro. It's just too much for me to remember. I got a lot going on in this brain. But here's the quad. Your battery slot back here. There is a USB port, a USB micro port, like for an Android phone in here, so you can upgrade the firmware, which you can get at HubsanUS.com. Got your 1080p camera here in the front. Brushless motors. Makes you want to say boom shakalaka. This tool here actually sticks right in between this little slot. There's 3 of them actually. There's 3 little slots in here. It don't matter where you put it, but this little tool sticks right in there and it holds the motor in place. That way you can tighten down the props. All right, what do we got down here? We got something beautiful down in the bottom. I'm expecting a Pro controller from Hubsan anytime, but with this model, I got standard controller, which is a pretty sick controller. You can mod this controller, and it almost seems like it was meant to be modded, because right here on the top there's these two little circly type notches right there where you would drill your holes to put your antennas. But it's easy mod. You just pop the back off, 4 screws, take out the antennas, snap the antenna back onto the board, the new one, put the lead right here in the top, screw it down tight, put your antennas on. It's that easy. Don't know if I have the battery in this one. No, I don't have the battery in this one. Both the batteries are in the room charging, but this controller has the GPS hold. Then it has, I forgot what this one is. This is a return to home switch, but you have to have this thing in GPS hold in order to hit the return to home switch and be able to bring it back. You got your trim, you got your tilt, fully altitude hold, so it always pops back to the center, you know, no matter what. You can nail it and get it way up in the air, but then let go, and then it'll just altitude hold, GPS lock if that's what you want. This also has a sport mode. You can unlock unlock the GPS feature, and it gives it a little bit more speed and be able to, you know, play around with it a little bit more. It does have FPV built into the remote, which is a really awesome thing. You don't have to use your dang phone all the time. That's one thing I do not like. You know, I don't like having to use my phone all the time, because there's times that I need my phone, you know, to do other stuff with, film, make a phone call, whatever. You know, I could put this thing in GPS hold, altitude hold, and sit there and answer an important phone call, and then come back to what I was doing. You know, love that. But anyway, that's it for the unboxing. You got your paperwork at least in here, and I'm pretty sure that's all there is to it. And this is a sturdy box. You could use this box for a carrying case for a long time. But anyway, guys, this is DZ. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Keep these videos coming in for you guys, the consumer. I'm here for you. Nothing but love. You guys have a good one.